Hey everyone, voiceover me. Just a quick one today. I found these old resin blanks that have been sitting around for probably like 4 years. They've gotten quite yellow. I wanted to show you just a quick way to give them a glow up. I'm starting off with just some alcohol ink markers. Give it a nice little wash. Carefully don't rub it too hard because the alcohol will rub off the ink. So make sure you let it dry if you're going to layer it up. You can't really see this color too well because of the background, but it's basically the same color as the background. I couldn't really find a sandy color, so I kind of went with this browny orange. You can see where the blue meets the brown and it causing a line. This is just some nail polish. It's a UV activated gel polish. It's a white tone. It's white-ish. Just gonna get it on there, move it around. And we're gonna just put a little bit of clear on there to push it up. Here's where you want to get a straw and give it a little blow. Got kind of blobby, like I put it on too thick right there. So I ended up grabbing my stick and smoothing some stuff out. Good thing about this is it's UV resin, so if it gets screwed up, just wipe it off, start over. But, you know, we're here and we're going with this. This is what we're doing. Here I'm doming it, which is like pushing it all the way up to the edges, but not over the edges. Gives you a nice smooth finish when you're done. Just want to work out some of those blobs. Put on a little bit more clear resin to kind of push it up a little bit. Finish topping it off. A few more pokes. Get a little torch, pop the bubbles. Cure it. And voila. It's magic. Anyway, if you got this far into the video, as always, appreciate you watching. Hope you learned something. Hope you try something. Till next time, folks.